I'm going to put up a picture so you can see the names of the notes. For now, we're just going to focus on the white keys. They go in alphabetical order from A to G. So if you know the name of one note, you just count to the right or to the left using the alphabet to get the ones around that note. I said in our goal that we want to be able to identify C. C is significant because it's the first note of our octave and the middle note on the piano. It's the note just to the left of the two black keys. Let's practice finding C on each octave of your keyboard. It's always the one just to the left of the two black keys. So now knowing C is here, let's look around it and see if we can get the rest of the notes just using the alphabet. One to the right, D, then E, F, and G. Let's go back to C and we can count backwards too. From C, we can go to B, and then A. So that's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. After G, it just repeats again with A. That's a good tool to use if you ever get lost staring at the keyboard. Look at the note you do know, and then use the alphabet to get the rest. But we don't want to have to count from C to know our way around, so I'm going to give you some tips to remember the others too. First, you'll notice D is in the middle of the two black keys. So think diddle D is in the middle. Then I like to teach people that the three keys here are like a house. To the left of it, we have the front door, or F. To the right of it, we have the back door, or B. And that's already half the notes right there. We have C left of the two black keys. We know diddle D is in the middle. F is at the front door of the house, and B is at the back door of the house. And then we can use the alphabet to fill in the rest a little easier here. D to E, F to G, B back to A. Remember, it's just those 7 letters for all the white keys. And that's it for today. You made it through your first piano lesson. Before you go, I want to mention a helpful exercise for remembering the names of the keys. And that is playing every instance of each note across the piano. Start with the note you know, whether it's C, D, or whatever. Play however many C's you have on the piano, then all the D's, and so on. This will help get the placement of the keys really ingrained in the brain. Alright, other than that, I hope you return for next week and take this journey of learning the piano with me. Remember to practice and take care.